Yeah, guys, it's impossible to touch your nose with this filter. So, guys, let's see. Wait, I will just look at the mirror because I'm getting dizzy. Okay. Oh, wait, what's that? Nah. Ooh. Maybe let's try some ears now.
Wee.
Wee.
Wee. Wee. Wee. Wee.
Okay, I touch my ear. Guys, do you know what's this? Yeah, it's Melon Sandbox. So yeah, guys, let's try eyes. Okay, now lips.
Wee. Touching. Touching.
I-touch mo yung nose mo. Oh, ang galing niya. Ears. Eyes. Mouth. Ang galing niya, guys. Tablet. Okay, guys, na ano niya. Kaya, bye-bye.